Welcome back, YouTube, and all you DIYers out there. The Jude show today, and he's working on a Lexus what?
rx350.
What year?
No idea.
Why don't you know? Well, he's replacing tag lights, and conveniently enough, you have to pull all the plastics off, which is really simple, right?
It actually is.
Just get underneath and with your fingers and pull it down.
And break every clip you possibly can.
And try not to break any push clips. And then reach your hands up inside like Jude's doing. Right?
And that one's done.
So you can see he's reaching his hands up inside there. Which way did you turn it?
Counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise to remove. Oh, it didn't bust. Oh! And they're 194s. I could imagine what the Lexus dealer charges to do this. I bet you $200.
Probably. Well, we also don't know if this is fully good yet or not. We gotta, test her out here. Once they're back.
I'm gonna find out what year this
Fully
is.
installed.
Since Jude doesn't know. Is this car from New York? Typically, the New York inspection stickers tell you what year it is. An 06? Man, my eyes are getting bad. 06 Lexus. Everybody wants a used Lexus. You gotta tuck it underneath there, Spanky do. You should have put this. You just dropped the clip.
You dropped the clip, my friend.
It's that simple. Thanks for watching.